Alright, got the Mini Maxx out here at the BMX track, and we're going to give it a whirl. I just put in the Hobby Wing 2050 motor and the 50 amp, 150 amp. A little burned up finally, and I got some the metal aluminum wheel extras, whatever they're called. Yeah, damn it. Yeah, those things. Hot racing wheel corners, on-off corners, and I don't know. We'll see how it happens. I don't know about the name. I don't know if, I guess I've had it here before. I just don't remember how it works. Oh, and I still don't have reverse. And I don't have brakes. I forgot about the brakes. Yeah, I could not get my the new couldn't get the programmer to work for the new ESC, so I don't have brakes, or I couldn't figure out how to make it work. Not having brakes. See, just like that. Boy, I hit the brakes and nothing happens. That's hard to do. I'm gonna try it up over these jumps. I'm gonna try it over the big ones. Oh! Doggone it. Yeah, this might not work so well without brakes. Huh. I guess the better fluid. I got the Creighton out here next. Maybe we'll get a better shot of that, because I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay frustrated with no brakes. As long as I don't have to use air control. And you don't have to if you do it right. We're going to probably have a lot of these body footer arms back again. I'm sorry, that one stayed on. This is the original Mini Maxx. No wide, no new one. It's the V1. I had the wider. I had the wide kit on it, and then I don't know, I wasn't really too happy with it. And then a lot of people were talking about they took the wide kit off because it made it better. So I tried it, and sometimes I kind of do think it does. Damn! You need those back brakes. Well, something happened. Oh, something's wrong. I can hear it. We'll get as much from off as we can. Dang. No, knocked the battery out that time. Oh shit. This is probably not going to look good. Oh. Not really. Let's get that strap completely out of there. It's the spur gear. I stripped it out. Dang it. I'd probably do. Yep. GoPro stop recording.